Guys, I love it. I love it. I think that's a great job. Jay Krager Band in the Froggy studio. I only have one thing, though. I think it needs more sleigh bells.
More sleigh bells.
I've got a Christmas fever, and the only thing that can cure it is more sleigh bell. Can we do it one more time?
More time.
More sleigh bell.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah! Jay Krager Band with the perfect amount of sleigh bells.